How to lose weight in 10 days naturally, home remedies to lose weight. Everyday people end up trying new diets, in an effort to maintain their ideal body weight. If you are one of these people, and you are tired of all the hard-to-follow diets and restrictions, you should look into natural treatments for weight loss. These remedies involve the usage of products and items, which are often found at home. You can lose your weight up to 5 kilograms in 10 days, at home by simply following these home remedies. Start your day with a workout. People who exercise in the morning are relatively slimmer and healthier than the ones who exercise later in the day. They carry good energy throughout the day by doing exercise in the morning. Cinnamon and honey infused tea. Warm up a glass of water. Add 2 cinnamon sticks and a teaspoon of honey into the lukewarm water. Mix well and strain the mixture. Drink the cinnamon and honey infused water on an empty stomach each morning. This will work wonders in case of your weight loss at home. Stop consuming artificial sugars. If you want to lose weight, consume natural sugars only that are available in fruits and vegetables. You need to cut down on sweets, ice creams, drinks and similar products. Stay hydrated. Drinking 10 glasses of water each day can be a very effective home remedy for weight loss. Add protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat, so a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are usually high in added sugars, added fats and calories. Drink unsweetened coffee. Coffee drinking may support weight loss by increasing energy levels and the amount of calories you burn. Eat more fruits and vegetables. They usually have very low energy density. This makes it possible to eat large servings without consuming too many calories. Add eggs to your diet. Eggs are the ultimate weight loss food. They are cheap, low in calories, high in protein and loaded with all sorts of nutrients. High-protein foods have been shown to reduce appetite and increase fullness, compared to foods that contain less protein. Consuming yogurt. Yogurt is derived from milk, when it undergoes fermentation. As such, it includes all of the beneficial properties of regular milk, while excluding the excess fat. Yogurt intake also makes you feel full without adding to the calories that you have consumed on that day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and don't forget to like and share.